Excel is programmed to automate and simplify. It often converts your fractions into something other than what you typed. Here's how to stop it. There are two ways to prevent this from happening. The first method is to type a 0 and a space before the fraction. If you plan to type lots of fractions into your sheet, select the relevant cell or cells where your fraction will go, or click the column or row header if you want to affect every cell in that range. Then expand the drop-down menu in the Number group of the Home tab and click Fraction. The value you typed can be used in other calculations or Excel operations. The formula bar also shows the value as a decimal. While these techniques work well most of the time, Excel will simplify fractions where possible. In this case, you need to prevent Excel from simplifying your fractions. To stop this automatic simplification, you need to tell Excel what denominator to use. In other words, to keep it as is, you must force Excel to stick with a value as the bottom number in the fraction. With the relevant cells selected, click the Number Format dialog box. Then, click Custom in the left-hand menu. Clear any existing text from the field box on the right and type a question mark, followed by a /, followed by the denominator you want to fix. Now, click OK. Excel will now always convert any fractions you type into these cells to a fraction with whichever number you specify as the denominator. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.